illegal criminal activities. It is very sensitive and urgent to hear back from you before we proceed further with suspension on your social and assets. Please press 1 to speak to our officer. Please press 1. Thank Service Canada, how can I help you?
Sir, my name is Mohan. I'm an international student. I just came a week ago. I just got a message that there's something wrong with my social insurance number and it is being suspended. What exactly it is, sir?
Alright, so when did you get a call about this information?
Just now.
Just now, okay. And sir, my name is Travis and your call has been connected to me. Let me look it up for the file for your information. What is really going on your name? So what is the number that you're looking for?
What is the?
What is the number?
Oh, so you my SIN number. Okay, give me 2 minutes, sir. I have that in my paper. Just give me 1 minute. I'll.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, sir.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, it's 462 187
462
187 378.
370
8 462 187 378.
378.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is your first and your last name, sir?
Mohan Singh.
Would you spell me out for me?
M as in mango, O as in orange,
Uh-huh.
H as in Henry, A as in Andrew,
Uh-huh.
N as in Nancy.
Okay.
Last name S as in Sam, I as in important,
Uh-huh.
N as in Nancy, G as in gun, H as in Henry.
Uh-huh. Okay, G is in Crow, H is in Henry, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And Mr. Singh, how old are you at the moment?
I am 24, sir.
You're 25 or you're 24, and
24.
you're currently at the university?
Yes.
Okay. And then when did you apply for this SIN number, sir?
Like I came last Tuesday here, so just I applied on Wednesday. Yes, next day I applied.
Okay. So you apply on Wednesday this last week or this week?
Yes, last week I applied.
Last week, okay. And is this the first time that you are here in Canada, sir?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the stay here for your university?
I have like a study permit for 2 years for my master degree in business administration MBA.
Okay. All right. So now, Mr. Singh, what is your postal code?
It's M1L4P2.
You said M1L.
Yeah, 4P2. P as in Pearson.
You said P is in Peter or B is in Bravo?
P as in problem. M1L4P2.
4P2. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Singh, I got your file here in front of me, and here I can see that there are several allegations under your name, and the arrest warrant has been issued on your name. So, Mr. Singh, are you aware about these situations?
No.
So do you want me to read out the complete information to you about the allegations from which you can come to know everything about the case?
Yes, sure.
All right. So now, before we proceed further, I would like to notify you that these lines are recorded and monitored by 4 major federal agencies. Number 1, Department of Justice Canada. Number 2, Canada Revenue Agency. Number 3, Financial Crimes Unit. And number 4, Bureau of Narcotics. So please make sure that you are specific and honest whatever you speak over the recorded line. Any statement going against the respect of Service Canada. And one last thing, please do not interrupt me while I'm reading out the information about your case. I will give you a fair enough chance to speak once I am done, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. So now, sir, as per the investigation report under your social insurance number, there are 3 allegations found under your name. Your social insurance number was misused in the city of Montreal. Service Canada and law enforcement agencies have found 11 bank accounts under your name, which has been opened and used fraudulently using your social insurance number to commit a fraud of more than $1.7 million.
What?
And these accounts, yes, $1.7 million. And these accounts were used to transfer and receive funds for illegal, local, and international bank. Wire transfer indulged in numerous criminal activities like money laundering, drugs trafficking, and Canada Revenue Agency tax scam all over Canada. So, Mr. Singh, would you please tell me that in yes or no, that are you the owner of 11 bank account in yes or no, sir?
No, I just have got one with RBC. That's all.
Okay. So, and then, Mr. Singh, do you ever try to share your personal information to anybody else?
No.
And do you have any suspicious person? And have you ever been to Montreal before?
No, I just came a week ago. I haven't been to anywhere else.
Okay. You have any family members or friends here in Canada, sir?
Yes, I'm sharing my home with friends.
Okay. And do you have any suspicious person, according to you, who will use your identification without your permission?
I don't think so. They are also students studying with me.
All right. Right now, Mr. Singh, your social insurance number has been misused by somebody else in Montreal. And the person who used your identification, they have already opened 11 accounts, and $1.7 million fraud has been done from those 11 bank accounts, which has been opened from your name and your social insurance number. So you have any suspicious person, according to you, who will use your identification, Mr. Singh?
Nothing that I can think for. Like, I can ask my friends if you want. They are not here at the moment. I can call them if you want.
No, I'm just saying that I'm just sharing to you, like, whether do you have a suspicious or not, according to you.
No, I haven't noticed any suspicious behavior. They are here with me all the time, but nothing
Okay.
like that.
So, Mr. Singh, right now there is a case of a money laundering against your name because of the identification tab. So right now what I'm going to do is say I will update each and every information from you, and I will send it to the higher authority in order for this information, for the further information, because in case, like, if you have any problem even further, you are a student here in Canada, so we don't want any problem to be faced on you like that, all right?
Okay.
Because you are here in our country. So
सुनना तेरे को ट्रेनिंग किसने दिया है? सुनना
Sorry, what?
छोड़ना यार. एक बात बताइए, फेक एक्सीडेंट क्यों बनाता है? फेक एक्सीडेंट साफ साफ तो पकड़ा जाता है.